There are amazing split testing tools out there like PickFu, right? And we've been talking about them for years. But did you know you can just use PickFu right within Helium 10? It's called Helium 10 Audience. So this is better for like not having to have so many like a million subscriptions or different things. Use the actual PickFu service. It's called Helium 10 Audience. And remember, this is so important. How many people today are talking about conversion rates and click-through rates? Look here, those of you watching this on YouTube, this is the old kind of main image that we were doing. And I was like, I need to get a couple different variations. So, because I want to make sure I have the best main image. And so I did a Helium 10 audience poll. And I found that was the worst one, the one that we had. And a new one that we just mocked up, it got 72% of the votes. And it wasn't just about the votes. Like what happens is they will give you details. The people who are voting on these things, they will give you details on why exactly they chose different things. Like, look at this. Somebody says, the box alone isn't enough. The two together is a nice look and fits the image well. I like this one because I can clearly see the applicator, this person wrote. So because you see here, it has like a roll-on thing, but in the first image, it just has a box. You don't even know how that roll-on looks, right? So guys, every single seller who's private label should be using Helium 10 Audience. I'm not saying this because I'm trying to make money. This is like a must. If you are not split testing your images before you launch, you are leaving hundreds, if not thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars on the table because you have no idea. Look at this, a 72% better score. This other image, and that's and I'll tell you guys right now that I actually did put this new image, and I'm gonna show you guys this in a new Project X that we're filming. But the results have been crazy. I think the click-through rate or the conversion rate went from 11% to 18%. Do you realize that's almost a double? That means the sales are going to be almost double, guys. Why? Because we changed the image. So this just shows you the impact. So guys, if you are not using Helium 10 Audience, even if you've already launched, you need to be going back and, hey, is this the best main image? Is it the best supplementary images that I have? It's not just about images. Like you can test brand names, you can test price points, how things look in the search results, your title. It costs money to do this one by one. But you are getting 50 to 100 real Amazon Prime users from your demographic and asking them questions about your brand that, would be almost impossible to get by yourself. So guys, if you're not using the Helium 10 Audience, you need to get in there and use it now.